So if you go on Canva, you're going to see this thing called, let me just name it again. Let's see, Flowealth News. Okay. So what I want to use is this. So I want to use this. I'm thinking. Anyway, so what you're going to do is you're going to focus on things happening in Canada, things happening in Canada, and things that the US is doing that affects Canada. Those are your two main focus. So every day you're going to get news around that, right? Uh, Google News will be one of your best friends. They always have something going on there. So when you come here, so let's see. It's funny how Google has your own news. Okay, so give me one sec here. I think I need to be very specific with my focus here. Okay. So you're going to use this. However, I want to make this a bit personalized. So I'm going to add um like a circle here that has like a funny face, like if any of my funny faces. I want to just add a photo. It's not designed. Wow, these people keep changing the way they look. Um, Frame. Yeah. I'm gonna have this like circle frame here, just at the top here. So it has a little bit of identity. Yeah. So this frame, um, I'm gonna add like a funny meme, but let me create that quickly. Okay. Um, okay. So, so just here is where the photo is gonna go. I'm just gonna upload something. Just and this is not the photo I want to use, but I'm just showing you an example. This is how it's gonna look like. Um, where it says, so let's say this is the news. This can say, okay. So you kind of put your whatever news here. And when you want to save, you click on share and you change download and make sure you're saving this as a MP4 video. However, we need to keep a consistent. So when you save it as a video, when you're uploading, you need to upload with a sound because there's not going to be any sound here. So just save, download MP4. So we want to work on Reels. Then select your page, the page you want to download. Just one page.
Hello, ma. The code has been sent.
Okay, then you download. That's for the news. So what I'm gonna look for is let me see, what did I copy? Let me stop recording. Should I use my WhatsApp? So give me this to post to what today. Oh, how time flies. So it's gonna give you at least some sort of news. Paragon has announced new discussion around first. Okay, Nigeria. Okay. I reacted strongly as translation. Okay. Trust me, ChatGPT is not the best for this because it's gonna give you like some really awkward news. However, you can rely on them if you have nothing to show. Housing crisis, rent still climbing. Anyway, these are news that you can take advantage of. Several Canadian airports are reporting delays due to weather. Yeah. But I will look at this and also look at um other Canada news, like CTV News, what they have going on for the day, and get your news from there. Says armed suspect killed during blah blah blah. This is a good news. Like news should be, yeah. Anyway, you can get your news from other pages. When you look at it, click on it. Let's say you want to get it, there will be a significant concern if US pulls out of this. For example, you tell ChatGPT to reward the title for you. You copy the storyline and tell ChatGPT to give you a unique storyline
Dad, I'm a genius. We don't have to freeze anymore. I can make us penguins fly.
to give you a unique storyline. Because everything you need to post, you cannot copy and paste people's posts. You have to get your own script. Then when you want to post on Facebook, you go on the page. So you're uploading reels, right? So when you upload it, then you put your title and everything here. Okay. So my focus for now is Facebook and YouTube. And it's reels and shorts. Okie dokie. Okay, that's the end of our recording. Where's my Zoom? Once you hide this thing, you can barely see it again. I need to look my Zoom buttons. Finally it pops up. All right, let's stop recording.